Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm RK. In this video, we will learn about exception handling. Exception handling is like handling the errors. Whenever we write some code, we got some errors, but we can print some different statements instead of that error for our understanding. So let's see how to handle these errors and print the statements that can be easily understood for us. Let's start. Here let's create a new variable and I am assigning the value rk in it, and I try to change the value of a to int. Let's run it. Here we got the error as value error. Instead of displaying these statements, we can display whatever we need. Let's write the code in try. Here the try block tries the code that we are entering, and if any error is occurred, the error will be passed to the except block and prints what value we need. Here I am trying to display can't change value type. Let's try it again. Here we got the error, so error is passed to the except and it prints can't change the value type. If you need, we can display a particular error type to display the value. Like here we got the error of value error. Let's run it again. Here it displays the value as can't change value type. Let's change it, and here I'm asking to divide 5 by 0. Let's run it. Here it shows the value of 0 division error. It doesn't execute the print statement because here we ask to print the value if it is a value error, but we get 0 division error. If we need, we can use multiple except parts like except. Here we got the 0 division error. Use it and print enter different value. Let's run it. Here we got the output as enter different value because here 5 divided by 0 is an 0 division error, so the error is passed to the except 0 division error and it prints enter different value. Like using else part in the decision making and loops, we can also use the else part in the exception handling, like else print. Here I am entering two values, a equals 543 and b equals float of a. If no error is happened in the try block, then the else block will be executed. Let's print else if value changed from value of a to value of b. Let's run it. Here try block doesn't give any error, so the else block is executed. If try block shows any error, like here it gives the value error, so the value error exception is executed. So it shows can't change value type. Not only the try, except and else, we also have another block called finally. After the handling is completed, the finally block will be executed. Print everything is executed. Let's run it. Yes, here we got value error, so the value error exception block is executed and it prints can't change the value. After it is completed, the finally block is executed, so it shows everything is executed. Let's use the real-time program. Here I am giving the value of a as age and b as 0. Try. In try, I am asking print a divides by b. The same example that we use as for zero division error. If zero division error is happen, changes the value of b from 0 to 4 and again print the value of a divides b. Here the value of b is 4, but here the value of b is 0. The else part is print division value is, instead of printing the values like this, we can assign the values in a new variable like z equals a divides b, and here also I am changing the values. Z, and then finally print program is executed successfully. Let's run it. Sorry, I used the print function, the else block. If exception is executed, the else block will be omitted. Let's use it in the exception part. Run it again. Here it is. The division value is 2.0 and program is executed successfully. If you need to raise an error of your own, you can do it by simply using raise. Here I am asking the value error. Let's run it. Here it shows the value error. So this is the main concept in exception handling. If you have any doubt, comment down below. I will try to explain it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.